Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to Tuesday Tips with Craft Habit. I'm Sarah and I'm going to talk to you today about a necklace hack so that if you have an overactive jewelry collection like I do, you can make the most of it. So sometimes you have a piece you love to wear, but depending on what shirt you're wearing, it's not going to work. It's going to be too short. So I'm going to show you about how to make your own necklace extender. Which is really, seriously, just a little piece of chain with a clasp on one end. So here's the one that I've got on today. I've got my super beady necklace I made years ago that I wanted to wear today, but it was just too high for today. I wanted to hang lower. So, got out my necklace extender. See if I can get this to the camera. Just a chain with a clasp on the end. It doesn't even have an extra loop on the end there. Oh, this one does, but they don't always. So, on my necklace, I just have got a regular lobster claw clasp and a hook. So, to use this, I'm going to open up the clasp on my necklace, hook in my extra bit of chain. The other end of my chain has another clasp on it, and I can hook that, and this is going to be the right length for this shirt, in my opinion. So I always keep a bunch of these in my house. I have a few different colors. I've got one in gold tone. I've got one in a rose gold that I've made. Honestly, I don't usually care what the color is because it's behind my neck, it's under my hair. But if you do want to match your tones to the jewelry you're already wearing, you can just make one in every color. It's super easy. So we're going to start with some chain. This is just some brass chain we have here that we sell by the inch and by the foot. I'm going to cut about 6 inches. I'm just going to guess it, so it might not be exactly 6 inches, but it's going to be close enough. And I like to choose a chain for my extender chain that has fairly large loops. I'll show you this here. It's got pretty large loops because that way, if I want to hook on any part of the necklace, I've got some options. You can also make ones with smaller chain if you've got a smaller chain on your original piece. But I like to do a big chain just for a little more modularity. So I've got my chain, I've got a little lobster claw. These are my favorite clasps. You can also do this with a spring ring, which is sort of like this but more circular shape, a little more delicate. I like lobster claw. It's easy to manipulate, I think. So I've got my chain, my claw, and I need a jump ring. This is a small metal ring that you can open. I've already opened this one. So I'm going to hook the end of my clasp through there, and I'm going to take one little bit of my chain, hook that in there. So those are together now, and then with 2 pairs of pliers, I can close up this loop. And that's it. I have a necklace extender. I can use this on anything I've got in my house. Sometimes you'll find that when you buy commercial jewelry, it comes with a bit of an extender already. This is helpful. You can take this off and use it on other things, or you can add more extenders if you want your bling to be super long. So I'm going to add my newly made extender to this one. So I'm going to take my lobster claw, clip it onto the end of this clasp, and then here is the original clasp on the necklace. So I'm feeling super sparkly today. I can wear this costume jewelry that I love. And that's it. That's a way that you can make your necklaces go from short to long, make them match whatever you want to wear. It's very easy to do. You can do it in all different kinds of colors. You can make a bunch of these guys and basically give your jewelry wardrobe a second life. And you can come do that in Craft Habit, and I'll teach you how to do it if you want. All right, that's it. Have a very good rest of your Tuesday, and we'll see you later. Bye.